the S25 series is now officially unpacked. Samsung's primary focus is on the Galaxy S25 launch and the One UI 7.0 upgrade release. Sources indicate that Samsung is aiming for a January debut for the Galaxy S25, with pre-order dates perhaps revealed. Galaxy S25 pre-reservations. A recent survey of chosen Galaxy consumers in Vietnam asked about anticipated enhancements for next high-end Galaxy phones scheduled for 2025, which might begin in early January. After completing the survey, consumers may receive a 10% discount ticket for a new Galaxy S series handset. This voucher is due to arrive on January 5th, implying that Samsung may open pre-orders on that date. Samsung normally opens pre-orders for its phones a few weeks before publicly presenting new devices, implying a mid-January 2025 debut for the Galaxy S25 line. However, the new poll was provided directly by Samsung to a shop in Vietnam, thus the suggested pre-reservation date for the Galaxy S25 series may be subject to change. To summarize, Samsung debuted the Galaxy S23 on February 13, 2023 and pushed the Galaxy S24 launch date to January 31, 2024. If this trend continues, the Galaxy S25 may be released even early in 2025. According to recent estimates, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be released in at least 7 different colors next year. 4 of these would be regular, while 3 will be online exclusives available only through Samsung's online store. Given Samsung's history with ultra flagship colors, certain common options may mix with matching frames, while others may accommodate plain silver frames. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.